How you feeling?
I feel like a mad scientist. It's awesome.
Hell yeah, dude.
SR and E30.
Yep. Isn't it funny, like, that's the impulse to want to play with the shifter on it?
Oh, that was neutral.
It's the closest thing we have to, like, the motor doing something for us. It's playing with the shifter.
Yeah, right now we talk about fancy paperweight.
Yeah, pretty much. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the E30 Builderama.
Yeah, so today's goal is to get this in for yet another test fit, but also we need this in so we can start mocking up intercooler piping and get the wiring figured out and kind of our game plan for the engine bay overall.
Yeah, and I mean, just like some, like, car porn.
Yeah,
The fact that we get
just
to
a
see
win.
the motor sitting in the engine bay, and you can just sit back after all the hustling. Anybody who's ever been working on long-term bigger builds, like, there's the point of exhaustion that happens, and I don't think we're at that point.
Not quite yet.
To avoid that sort of exhaustion and burnout with a build, you need wins along the way. So this is an easy one. We need to do this for mock-up for a lot of different things, and also we can just sit back and have a beer and admire the fact that there's going to be an SR20 sitting in an E30.
I'm going to sit in the car and just go through the gears.
Roll the gears, man. We'll make engine noises and it'll be great. So, let's just do this. Let's try to get it in there without breaking as
So if
many
you want
things
to
as
lift
possible.
that side, I'll lift this side. And
We'll just so we'll just unhook this. And, okay. How you feeling?
I feel like a mad scientist. It's awesome.
I still can't believe how good it fits.
Yeah, now that this went down all the way, we have even more space in between the master cylinder. And it makes it that much easier to get the heater core hoses hooked up.
Yep.
So I'm going to tighten those down all the way just to be safe. We obviously don't want this to go anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's just all hand tight, but she's bolted in.
Let's get our intercooler piping figured out.
Hell yeah.
And radiator, for that
And
matter.
radiator, and wiring, and we got to figure out how to take the front bumper off because we smushed that in. And,
Yeah.
but it's fine. This is a huge step. This is like the next big thing to happen, so we can just make a lot of progress.
Hell yeah. Let's do this.
Yep, good side, right?
So Donnie, what's the plan?
He's gonna work his magic. We're gonna switch his name to Mike, because that'll be Magic Mike.
Sweet, dude.
No, so we decided to take our specific E30 intercooler and flip it because it'll fit better. And actually delete the high beams, and we're gonna run the piping up through there. So it's less welding, less bends, and it's probably gonna look pretty badass. And the intercooler actually will get airflow instead of being tucked behind the steel bumper.
Right. So the steel bumper is still going to be there. It's just that the bulk of the intercooler sits
in that pocket.
in that pocket, yeah. And the plastic bumper, or the plastic lip here, we're going to try and retain that.
Hopefully. If not,
Should be able
we'll
to.
go to our local hardware store and get that edging.
Garden edging.
I'll just make something. After dumping thousands of dollars into the engine bay, we'll spend $12 and do a look on it.
Turbo first, then we'll worry about the rest.
Yeah, I just gotta make the noises.
Yeah.
Cody's gonna open up his own welding shop, and all the prices are just gonna be in cheeseburgers.
Yeah.
13 cheeseburgers.
What do you think, Donnie?
I think Cody's the shit.
I think this man's got some talent.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah, fix it.
I'm excited to start it up because it's coming together now.
So,
It's more complete.
is Cody our Turbo Yoda?
I'd go with Boba Fett.
Turbo Boba Fett?
Wait, is Boba Fett the one that got his head chopped off?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, let's not go with that.
All right, Johnny, get brave.
No, it's
Grab
still
the hot
hot.
pipe.
Melter it to the...
Yeah, I don't want to melt my couplets. So where did that one sit?
Yeah, fair enough. Well, what's next, boss?
We got from an outro. And then I think we're doing electrical next. We gotta get rid of all of that. Actually, this has to stay. We're getting rid of all of that crap. And I'm gonna go through, get rid of the cruise control and start cleaning up the engine bay a little bit.
And then when your blow-off valve comes in, that's gonna go.
Yes, that's gonna
right
be another
here.
4 weeks. That's gonna sit. I think the game plan is here, right?
Sticking straight
Yes,
up out of the hood.
no. You're the welder. It was your game plan.
So we're over there. Well, I mean, it depends on where all the other stuff's going. Is there anything in this?
Just the washer reservoir, and that kind of hugs the wheel well.
Okay. Yeah, well, wherever, right?
Bam.
Right here?
Yep, right there. What's that motion like again?
It's heavy.
Sweet, homie.
That's Cody, by the way. We should have
As we-
introduced him at the beginning of
Oh no, we
Yeah,
did.
I've already been here for a few days.
I think we did. I think we did introduce you.
Well, another intro. That's Cody. He's the shit.
Yeah. Turbo Boba
We
Fett.
did. I referred to
With
him
the
as
head.
a master welder at work.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right, cool, man. So that wraps this video, huh?
it does.
So tell everybody to watch the next one.
You should watch the next one.